Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your BMW E46 window. First, you'll need to identify the specific problem, whether it's a faulty motor or a broken regulator. Gathering the right tools, like a trim removal kit and a new regulator, is crucial before you begin. This preparation ensures a smoother repair process and helps avoid unexpected delays. Understanding the issue upfront saves time and effort. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel. Start by locating and removing all screws, often hidden under trim pieces or behind door handles. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away, avoiding damage to clips. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and lights. This step allows you to access the window's internal components for a thorough inspection. Now, with the door panel off, you can unbolt and remove the old window regulator. This usually involves detaching the window glass from the regulator clips and then unbolting the regulator assembly itself. Carefully install the new regulator, ensuring all bolts are tightened securely. Before putting everything back together, connect the window switch and test the window's up and down function to confirm proper operation. Finally, reattach the door panel by reversing the removal steps, ensuring all clips align and screws are tightened. Double-check that all electrical connections are secure and the window operates smoothly without any binding. Before you finish, remember to check the description below for links to the tools we discussed, as well as other great deals. You can also find information on how to bring your space to life with a smart speaker. We hope this guide helps you get your BMW E46 window working perfectly again, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. Drive safely and enjoy your fully functional window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.